Good morning, students. Take out your SST book, notebook, and pencil box with you. But before this, I want to show you something. What is this? This is plant. And where plant grow? Plant grow in the soil. This is soil. Why soil? What is soil, students? Can you tell me? I will tell you. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. It is a natural resource like water, mountain, understand? And plants give us food item, wheat, rice, medicines also. Cotton plants give us cotton. So, and where plants grow? In the soil. So soil is very important for us. Understand? All living beings directly or indirectly depend on the soil. I hope all of you understand. Today our topic is soil. Understand? Let's start our chapter. Open your book, lesson 9, Soils of India. Let's start our chapter. Okay, student. What is soil? I told you. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. It is one of the most important natural resources like air and water. Importance of soil. All living beings directly or indirectly depend on soil. Without soil, no plants can be grown. In villages, people build houses, pots, and so on using soils. Understand? Formation of soil. Weathering of rocks occurs due to heat, wind, and flowing water. Breaks down the rocks into small pieces. These small pieces break down further to form tiny particles of soil. Wind, rain, river carry the soil to different places. Understand? In simple words, we can say, big pieces of rocks are broken down by wind and water into smaller and smaller pieces till we get a fine powder. This fine powder is called sand or soil. Understand? Now, our topic is types of soil. Different types of crops are grown in different kinds of soil. We have different types of soil in different regions of our country. Let's see. Alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil, desert soil. Okay. See in this map. Okay, India is divided into 6 physical division: northern mountains, northern plains, desert area, in middle plateau area, in this is coastal area. I told you no, coastal area in previous chapter. Okay, and 2 islands, Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. Understand? So different region of our country we can see different type of soil. Mountain soil, very easy. Where? In mountain area. Okay, where it find? In mountain area. Northern mountains we can see mountain soil. In desert area we can see desert soil. In northern plains, very fertile. So here we can see alluvial soil. Black soil in plateau area. Understand? Laterite soil in northern eastern states. Okay, West Bengal, Karnataka, some parts of Tamil Nadu, Telangana. Understand? Desert soil in desert area, Rajasthan area. So mainly 6 types of soil we found in India: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil, and desert soil. I hope all of you understand what is soil, what is the importance of soil, and different types of soil. Tomorrow we will continue the same chapter. Now it's time to leave. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.